everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel Ornate Solar. Here I am going to give you some recent update about Ornate Solar. In 2014, we have started our journey as a distributor of Canadian solar panels. And in our panels category, we are providing Canadian panels and Renaissance panels. In our inverter category, we are providing Havells, Solar Edge, Tronius and microinverter N-phase. What we have analyzed in our experience in solar industry as a distributor of premium brand, client is very much like to look forward for hassle-free products and reliable products and which are timely delivery. Also in our industry, people are not very much concerned about technical aspects of selecting proper switch gears. And with this vision, we have started a new vertical that is Ornate Assured, where we are providing the complete BOS. In this, we are providing AC distribution boxes, DC distribution boxes. We are having the complete solution for structure as well, whether it's an aluminum structure, pre-GI structure or hot dip structure. And other many more products we have added in our product line. We are very much happy to inform you that we have delivered our technically designed products to our customer side which are working very well on ground level. In fact, we have reduced the inverter shutdown time because of proper selection of protection devices. That's all about Ornate Solar, and thank you for watching this video.